Can I get your number? Did you get my point? Where is your office? Do you have a pen? Will you go with me? I'm the best in my class. What do you think? May I come in, sir? I will be waiting for you. She has fever. What do you want? How was your weekend? Can I ask you something? What are you doing? Think before speak. I don't forgive you. That's very kind of you. What do you mean? He's afraid to get married. I will come again. What is going on? What is your problem? I'm afraid of losing you. Do you agree with me? She got afraid of me. This book upset me. Do you speak English? Why are you late? Stay away from me. Can you help me? How can I trust you? He is very rude. Please wait for me. She is very beautiful. Nice to meet you. Please say something. I will try my level best. It was nice meeting. I'm feeling tired. They didn't go to work. I bought a new car. I found my lost money. Do you know him? When will you go? Why are you laughing? How old are you? Can you hear me? How much is this? What time is it? Why are you crying? I'm thankful to you. I don't understand. He will play cricket. I was in the car. Where are you now? Where do you live? I'm at the hospital. I'm going home. Don't explain to me. What is he to you?